Much for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. In today's video we'll check out this. We have so many Mitsubishi Outlanders to choose from, and the cool thing about the Outlanders and PHEVs, you can accessorize them the way you want. So in this video I'll walk around and we're gonna check all what kind of accessories we can have on the Outlanders. All these accessories, most of them you can find on my website mrmitsubishi.ca. Free shipping to Canada, US, Australia, New Zealand, basically almost everywhere. Right now, let's get going. Let's check out all kinds of accessories that we have on the Outlander. Let's start here with some hood emblems, and we have quite a few choices that we can do here. We have a black hood emblem right here. It says Outlander, and we also have these chrome hood emblems. And there's also on my website, you can find these satin looking hood emblems, so we can do that as well. And if you have a PHEV, what we have here on the PHEVs, we have these special PHEV kind of hood emblems. They're blue with this chrome outline right here, so they look real cool. And that's also an option on your Outlander. Of course, you can put them on gas Outlander as well, but most people want on their PHEVs this blue Outlander. So that's for the hood emblems, and of course we can put them on all kinds of colors and everything else. So we have nice cosmic blue, that one is black, white on black, and then we have here again chrome with this cosmic blue, and we have this modified right here upgraded Outlander. It has the black hood emblem. This one here is customer car. They chose the blue Outlander for their PHEV. So very good looking PHEVs, all kinds of hood emblems. Let's check out what else we got. And we also have side moldings. So side moldings, again, you can find these on my website. A lot of people love these black. I personally also like this white and black looks, and we do have this Outlander lettering right here and this nice chrome line right there. So what you can do is for PHEV, again, we have a different kind that says PHEV, like these ones right here. So we have body colored, in this case silver, that says PHEV, same chrome line. Again, doesn't matter if it goes PHEV or Outlander, it'll fit on both Outlander and PHEV. It's just your personal preference. What would you like to get? And again, you can have it either like same body colored or something that contrasts a bit more. So we do have black, we do have you know, body color painted, and all sorts of options. So here we have this cosmic blue, and with cosmic blue we have this PHEV. So we chose to put PHEV and body color matched, so we can see how it's the same color. And again, on my website mrmitsubishi.ca, you can find all these accessories that you might possibly want to put on your vehicle. So this one here is a special one. We have two-tone roof, so we have the silver roof, black color, and we have black side molding saying Outlander. This one here is a gas GT Premium. We can see the upgraded premium interior right here, and a very nice and beautiful combination. Oh, let's squeeze through the cars right here and let's check out what else we have on the front line. So these ones freshly arrived, so we don't have much inventories, many accessories put on, but on this one we can see, again, we have the nice blue hood emblem, and we have body color matching side molding saying PHEV. That looks real cool. I absolutely love this red color, and this one happened to have the light gray interior. Looks really cool. So there we go. We have lots of good side molding options, so side molding is something you can check out as well. Let's see what else we can find on this one. By the way, just want to show you real quick, this is PHEV Noir. This Outlander hood emblem already came from the factory with black lettering. Only thing we did here was we added the PHEV side molding, so it looks a little bit PHEV like. So okay, let's check out what else we got. Okay, and this one has our camo edition that we upgraded, but we also added some nice accessories. Yes, it has chrome grate and special wheels, but if we're talking about accessories, so this one has this front bug deflector. It's quite popular, looks quite good on any Outlander. So I really like how it finishes the front look. And this one also has these vent visors on the side, so they're nice thick vent visors like this, and it has this nice Outlander lettering. I really like it. It looks really cool. Stands out a lot. And on this one we also chose to put these mud flaps. So we have mud flaps on the back, mud flaps on the front wheels, and that's how it looks. Of course, this camo edition looks a lot different altogether, but you know, these are some accessories that we added. And of course, you can get any type of crossbars. We have this Mitsubishi branded, there's Thule crossbars, and we also have roof basket that we just bought aftermarket, and that's all sorts of interesting accessories. Let's see if we can find something else. Another one, we just getting this vehicle ready for our customer, but the customer wanted this roof box, and we got the crossbars and nice roof box. That's how they look. That's something you can get on your Outlander as well. And there are two more accessories we're gonna check out on this Cosmic Blue PHEV. So those are these door sills. Very nice, beautiful Outlander door sills. They're on the front door and also on the rear door right here. Comes as a set, all four. That looks really, really nice, and especially with this color, Cosmic Blue, and this one has light gray or white interior. I mean, it looks like $1 million already, but these accessories just enhance the overall look. And we also have chrome bumper plate right here, also looks really, really cool, and just adds to all the other chrome elements that we have on the back of the vehicle. Very easy to install. I've done a lot of do-it-yourself install videos. You can find them on my YouTube channel or on the website, and this is how you put it on, and that gives, again, very good visual appearance, especially on this Cosmic Blue color. I really, really like it a lot. So there we go. We just checked out quite a few accessories on the all-new Outlander and PHEV. Same accessories work on both cars. Outlander, PHEV, doesn't matter which car you have, same accessories work because it's same body, same everything. So thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you got some inspirations here how to upgrade your own Outlander, and see you next time around.